IKEA's success with artificial intelligence is not just a story about technology, it's a story about smart strategy, human empowerment, and business growth. While many companies use AI to cut costs, IKEA used it to create value, unlock new opportunities, and generate $1.4 billion in new revenue. The journey began with customer service. IKEA receives millions of customer queries every year, ranging from order tracking to product availability and delivery issues. Handling these repetitive questions required massive time and resources. To solve this, IKEA introduced an AI-powered chatbot called Billy. This chatbot was designed to answer common customer questions quickly and efficiently. Over time, Billy became responsible for handling nearly 47% of all customer service inquiries. This significantly reduced the workload on human agents and improved response times for customers. But instead of replacing employees, IKEA made a very different decision, one that changed everything. Rather than laying off workers, IKEA chose to reskill and retrain them. Around 8,500 customer service employees were trained to become remote interior design consultants. These employees began helping customers design their homes, choose furniture combinations, and create functional living spaces tailored to their needs. This shift transformed a cost center into a completely new business opportunity. Customers were no longer just buying furniture, they were paying for professional guidance and personalized design support. In its first full year alone, IKEA's interior design services generated $1.4 billion in revenue, creating a brand new income stream that did not exist before. What makes this strategy powerful is how IKEA positioned AI. Instead of using AI to replace humans, the company used it to remove repetitive tasks and allow people to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and customer relationships, areas where humans perform best. IKEA's use of AI goes far beyond chatbots. The company also invested in AI-powered visual tools that allow customers to scan their rooms and virtually place furniture in their homes. These tools help customers visualize products before buying, reducing uncertainty, and improving purchase decisions. In addition, IKEA uses AI for demand forecasting and inventory planning. By analyzing hundreds of data points, such as local trends, seasonal behavior, and buying patterns, AI helps ensure the right products are available at the right time and place. This reduces waste, improves efficiency, and enhances the overall customer experience. IKEA also understands the importance of responsible technology. The company established a digital ethics policy to ensure AI is used transparently and responsibly. At the same time, IKEA continues to train its workforce in AI literacy, preparing employees for a future where technology and human skills work side by side. The biggest lesson from IKEA's AI journey is clear. Artificial intelligence is not just about automation. When used correctly, AI can empower people, unlock new business models, and drive massive growth. By combining technology with human expertise, IKEA didn't just save money, it built a billion-dollar success story for the future.